This is a Crypto Rap exclusive. Welcome. Welcome, everybody. It's a pleasure to have you. Let's look at some coins. This thing got rugged. This thing is crazy. Alright. Hey, welcome to the stream, Casey Charbubs. Good to have you all. We are just getting started here. That's why nobody's here, but we will grow quickly. Welcome, Josh. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. This is the greatest crypto program available anywhere. We are hitting a multi-stream right now. I'm sending the link around. I hope you guys do the same. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, everybody. We are just getting started here. All right. Hey, thanks for the likes. Thanks for joining, everybody. Share the stream around. Hit that like button. Send me a little gift or two. We are just getting started here. We will start looking at some of the freshest, the hottest coins in the market in just a second. Bring your tickers to the stream, everybody. Drop your coins in the chat. Tell your communities. Send it around. We're about to look at a lot of gems tonight.
Is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
Thank you, Tazos. Let's start with Sons of Solana. We'll start with the first mover. Since you were the first person to send a ticker in the chat, we'll check it out right away. Sons of Solana. So, we've got a little bit of a multi-meme here. Kind of a collab narrative. We've got the Chill Guy, we've got Bonky, we've got Pepe, and I'm a whole banner. Pepe is not on Solana, guys. He's on Ethereum. So Pepe is not a son of Solana. That should probably be. But anyways, without that minor, I'm like nerding out like a comic book nerd. I'm like, you gotta pay attention to the details, guys. But besides that minor infraction, pretty great looking chart here. Positive performance up the wazoo. 413k market cap, which is still relatively early. Ultra Degen says, LOL, 50 people on. Yeah, we literally just hit the 3-minute mark. I've been live for 3 minutes and there's already 50 people here. Good to see you all. That's the power of the Crypto Rap community. You're not gonna get this anywhere else, guys. There's a reason this stream is so popular. This is the hottest program you're gonna find anywhere. We're talking about the freshest gems in the market. You guys are bringing tickers to the stream. And we're giving some honest assessments, becoming better traders, leveling up in every way. Bring me your questions, bring me your comments, drop some coins in the chat. Stick around a while. It's a fun program. Dad Trade says, so fire, need you on the Sad Boy team. We've had Sad up on the stream a couple times. We'll check it out in a little bit. I think I'm done talking about this. The last thing I'll say about this is the market cap to volume ratio maybe leads a little something to be desired. There clearly was a very heavy sell on there not too long ago. So keep an eye on the holders and the distribution and make sure things are healthy on that front and people are holding it with conviction, because otherwise you're going to hit some trouble. So let's look at... Hey, good to see you, Tazos from Greece. Thanks for tuning in from Greece, dude. That's awesome. I hope you enjoy a hunk of lamb and the view from the steps of the Parthenon, my dear friend. Let's look at that Sad Boy. Sad Boy, looking good at 5.3 million market cap. In fact, it is looking fantastic. This is a coin that we've had on stream a couple times. I think the first time we brought it up on stream, it was under 1 million market cap. So now it's pushing 5.3 and still showing a strong display. It's fallen down. Says he's from Sparta. God damn, everybody, look at that. We got Leonidas in the chat. Respect. All right. So, 5.3 million market cap. Great positive price action here, especially in the past few days. It's good to see when it goes parabolic in this way. I mean, parabolic is kind of a idiomatic term that people like to throw around in the space. You can think of a parabola like a chart following that kind of curvature, like a logarithmic, a exponential, like that shit just goes up really fast, right? And the thing that's important to note is it doesn't just go up fast, but the rate at which it goes up also goes up fast. So you're seeing an acceleration not just in the price and in the market cap, but also in the volume and in the overall desire in the market. And crypto is a space where things really snowball. And with a lot of momentum, Dad Trades is in here talking about big marketing budget about a launch. All right, say less, bro. Connect with me. Send me a DM. I would love to do a song for you guys. Sad boy. It's one to check out. Let's look at another one. My cat named Goose. Your cat? You made a coin out of your cat? And why did you name your cat Goose? This isn't a cat. This is a goose. Am I tripping? Welcome to the stream, everybody. You are watching Crypto Rap Live. Drop your coins in the chat. We will be reviewing them here. Got a lot of stuff to look at in the market today. Snail says, I think tonight is the night. I think so too, bro. But honestly, hell no, bro. It's, isn't it like Saturday night or something? Everybody's out doing stuff. It's Saturday night within like 4 days of Christmas. It's going to be a pretty busy in real life time for folks. So thank you for taking time out of your busy holiday season to spend on Crypto Rap Live. I really appreciate it. Did we look at Pepe? Not yet. Let's pull it up. We'll look at a couple Pepes since we're looking at Pepe. So Pepe's at 7.2 billion. It's less than 2 years old, which is honestly pretty impressive. It's relatively new compared to other, first-rate meme coins like Doge. Anyways, it's on a generous dip right now, but we've seen some pretty negative price action across the market in the past week or so. A lot of stuff has been read, Bitcoin and pretty much every other alt, every other utility coin, a lot of blue chip memes. Stuff has been bleeding everywhere. And so Pepe's chart reflects that. I mean, this is not a meme coin anymore. This is a real first-rate asset. I mean, this is a multi-billion-dollar market cap, the top-performing blue-chip meme coin of its kind, right? So it's going to be subject to the whims of the overall market now, more so than it might have been back when its chart was down here. So I don't have much to say about Pepe because nothing I say about Pepe is going to influence the chart. It just is what it is. It's best of the best, top of the leaderboard, etc., etc. Welcome everybody. If this is your first time tuning in, this is Crypto Rap Live, and I am your host, Why Not? I am the greatest crypto rapper of all time, and we are the greatest crypto community. Got a bunch of chads in here from all across the space, all different experience levels, all around the world. Constantly in the trenches, grinding, leveling up, learning how to be better, and get that bag. And believe you me, bags are being got. We just concluded the first ever Crypto Rap Calls contest in our Discord. Gave a little bit of soul away to the winner. It was over times 10. And that was only in the past 24 hours. So it's not the most X's ever, but that's pretty generous. Thanks for the rose. Speaking of generous. Dread says, are you bullish on NFTs this cycle? It's hard not to be when you've seen their performance over the past 2 months or 3 months. I mean, a lot of projects have been performing exceptionally. And here's the bullish angle for NFTs this cycle. Here's my thesis. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the rose. Thanks for the finger hearts. So NFTs are going to be big because a lot of major NFT projects are planning airdrops. And we've already seen this play out with Magic Eden. We've already seen this play out with Pengu. And yes, the charts look terrible. Yes, they are all red and they go straight to zero. But as bad as that looks for people that are buying the top, that's actually a good thing for people that are interacting on the NFT side, right? That is liquidity going into the wallets of NFT holders, airdrop recipients, etc., etc. I'm not saying it's a good thing for the ecosystem overall, but I am saying it's a bull flag for NFTs this cycle, that people are doing these multi-billion-dollar airdrops and getting away with sending them straight to zero. Tasso says, XRP, your opinion? You mean extremely rich people or the exit to regular poverty? Which XRP are you talking about? Alex says, check shitcoin on Solana. Oh, I said I was going to check a couple Pepes, but then I got sidetracked. Shitcoin on Solana, looking at 2.1 million. Honestly, the chart is not looking good lately. It is ranging downward quite heavily. What little bounce you guys had got sold into the dust. What you're seeing here is a very specific market psychology playing out on the chart, right? This thing mooned out of nowhere. Then people are going to collect profit. Unfortunately, someone collected a little too much profit. So they created a heavy red candle, which inspired people to panic sell, in turn creating another heavy red candle. There was a rally. They tried to pick it up off the ground. But what you have to realize is after all of this, people that bought in anywhere above this point, they're going to be looking for an exit quick. They don't have confidence in this project anymore. This red cascade caused a lot of panic because this happened over the course of 2 days. So yeah, sure, it rallied a little bit, but people are just exiting now, and I think that trend is going to continue. So find another project that's going to perform better. Not financial advice. Tazo said, I have XRP 3 years now. Sell or keep it. Start looking into Ripple and the underlying ecosystem surrounding that and the meme coins on that chain and how you can use XRP to enter some of those coins and blue chip projects, good narratives, utilities early, because that ecosystem is really underexposed. And I think there's a lot of great opportunity there. If I had a bunch of XRP that I've been sitting on for a long time, that would be my next game, my next evolutionary step in my portfolio. I would have that XRP, but I would start diversifying into things in the underlying Ripple ecosystems. You feel me? Not financial advice. What do I think about DeFi gaming? The prospects are incredible. Oh, and Tazos, if you're interested in XRP, like underlying ecosystem Ripple stuff, join the Discord. We have a couple of real serious XRP chads in there, and they are constantly looking for the best XRP projects, sending great things in there, awesome informational materials. Even if you guys don't have XRP or don't trade on the Ripple ecosystem or whatever, there's some great instructional stuff on there for folks to just start learning kind of what all that stuff is all about. Dread says, am I wearing Mog Pit Vipers? Yes, I am wearing Mog Pit Vipers. Opinions on Blep. One of many pairs of Mog Pit Vipers I own. I know the founder of Mog. He came out of a private chat that I'm in. Met him personally. Yeah, I love Mog. Super great project. I made the wrap for Mog over a year ago now. Like a year and 2 months or some shit. Let's see. Blep. Looks pretty good, honestly, for a base project. Tonyo says, Pretty much all of them, bro. We're gonna be seeing a impressive super cycle as long as a nuke doesn't detonate somewhere or something. And that the regulatory green lighting that's happening in the US in the next year, and then a bunch of developments across crypto ecosystems everywhere, technology developments, all of that stuff is going to be pretty huge. So, yeah. Fresh Boy Sasha says, you look like Gallagher. Who is Gallagher? Can I Google that? Is that someone that'll show? My OBS studio is tweaking. Alright, let's look at some coins. Tazo says, can't find your Discord. So I'm dropping the link right here a bunch of times. My Discord is also, the link in my bio is my website. You can also type it in your browser, cryptorap.net. It's pretty easy. Cryptorap.net. Cryptorap.net. That's CRYPTORAP.net. You type that in, you're going to see all of my social links there. I'll show you what this looks like. For those of you who are curious, hit that link in my bio. Looks just like this. Super intuitive. Got all the social links with their icons right there. Garage says, so was Blep good?
This is a Crypto
Yeah.
Rap exclusive.
Why not? Look at this chart. It looks great. Really strong showing. Good volume for a base coin. Fine market cap. Pushing all-time high now on its 10th day. It looks fantastic. Hey, welcome, welcome. Can you analyze USA coin? Yeah. Let's do it. You talking about this one at the top? The 9-month-old one? Or like some random other one? Are you sitting on cash or am I fully deployed? Bro, I sincerely wish I was sitting on cash. My bank account is negative, bro. Fully deployed, always. It's the only way to go in a bull run, bro. Locked in. Hell yeah, bro. All or nothing. Look, all I'm saying is, when I check my money in my bank account, it's always the same number. When I check my money in my portfolio, it goes up. Where would you keep your money?
White ones, Chinese, black, Portuguese, Islamic. Bitches everywhere, man.
What? This coin looks alright. It's been around for a decent amount of time. You know, we're looking at the 10th month here. This thing's been around forever. Blue chip, Solana, long-term community, builders. It's fallen down pretty heavy at one time. Thanks for the rose. But it bounced heavily not too long ago and has shown signs of life since. The problem is people keep selling this down so heavy, so they gotta stop that. Bzzz. Thanks for the heart. Fest burst. Thanks for the heart. Thanks for the rose. Tazos, thank you for joining the Discord. GG. Thanks for the TikTok. Thanks for the ice cream. Thanks for the TikTok. Thanks for the heart. I appreciate that. All the gifts. Fantastic. Sensational. Okay, yeah, so this coin looks fine, but honestly, they gotta stop selling on you guys. I feel like you're gonna find better opportunities elsewhere. Now you're rich, says Roaring Kitty. Yeah, bro. I'll cash out, bro. I'll be able to eat some cup of noodles this week. Thank you. Just gotta wait till Wednesday. That's TikTok payday. I don't know, honestly. Swarms. Why does it look like this? Like, if you have a coin that's supposed to be a utility project, like a new technology, in this case, agentic feedback ecosystem, you gotta have a team to build that, right? And to manage that. So why does this have a community takeover claim? Isn't that super bearish? I don't know. Price action not looking the best, honestly. UFD, let's look at it. Took the space by storm, but is it run out of steam? Does the guy still make content? Is he still posting videos and stuff? He has to be, right? I haven't heard anything about it in a long time, and I haven't seen the guy in a while. Still posting? For sure. I mean, I figured, because he had been posting every day before. Yeah, you know, it's not over. It might be, but it hit a pretty generous pump not too long ago. It is ranging downward right now, but the volume is still insanely high. I mean, $61 million volume in the 5th day. So yeah, I think this thing is doing well. But who knows? It could be over, because has the narrative run out of steam? They might need to innovate at this point. The initial narrative was very bullish, right? And people obviously bought in quite heftily. But did they buy in too quickly, and did they buy in too much? Can this guy, Ron, in his basement, support a multi-hundred million market cap coin? That's the challenge.
This is a crypto rap.
Thanks for the follow, Dreamer. I appreciate that. Where did everyone go? Beat J says, any tips to pick out new coins? Well, let's try and find some right now. So we're on Deck Screener, right? Deck Screener is super easy to use. Oh yeah, Tonio says, Beat J, join the Discord. Yeah, join the Discord is honestly a pretty good point. We get a lot of new coins called in there, a lot of good X's coming out of that group. Garage Boxing says, why don't you make your own coin? Well, I don't like taking people's money if I'm not going to give them something valuable in return. My reputation, what I expect out of myself, is to be the greatest crypto rapper of all time, and to build one of the greatest, if not the greatest, crypto communities of all time, and to educate and onboard an entire new generation of investors. I can't do that if I'm just going to make a coin and pump and dump folks. So I have considered, and people have told me a bunch of times, like, make a coin, right? But I'm not going to just do that. I need to have something of value to build, like from a founder perspective, and work with developers and deploy in Web3 and ship and like do all this stuff and have something that's actually like of substance. But believe you me, once we have the infrastructure to build that, and once we have the community to receive that, you guys who are here this early, you're gonna get the Pingu level airdrop. That multi-billion-dollar dump. But yeah. Man, where did everyone go? Hey, good to see you, Extendo. Hey, everyone, we have 27 people here. Yeah, Dreamer says make your own blockchain. Could you imagine the rap chain? That'd be pretty dope. Look, we have 27 people here. Can you guys, especially you like super duper chads who come all the time, can you guys copy the share link and send it around to hella groups right now, like in Discord, Telegram, X, your friends, wherever you connect with other crypto enthusiasts? Send this stream around, because 26 people, that makes me feel bad about myself. Thanks for sharing the live, Lewis. I appreciate that. Good to know you can take orders. Mo, let's check it out. Mo. This thing is terrible, bro. Straight to zero. 16K market cap, $1 million volume, bro. The dev walked away with $1 million. That's pretty crazy. Lewis said, I shared the live. Can you check? Yeah, let's check rope. You talking about this thing? Solana service dog rope? Garage says, do you recommend Phantom for early coins? Not necessarily. There definitely are better utilities out in the space for that kind of trading, because there's utilities out there that give you genuine edge, faster transactions for sure. But some coins even let you, or sorry, some utilities even let you snipe or set orders and things like that. So look into at least BonkBot or something. Phantom is definitely, it's a great entry to crypto, but it is not a good utility for advanced trading. NYE, let's check it out. No, I don't like this. I don't like holiday coins, and it's gone straight to zero since launch. It's not performing well. The thing about holiday coins is they're not going to pump beyond the holiday, so you really can't rely on them. They have an extra edge that just isn't present in the market elsewhere. So find other opportunities that don't have that negative aspect to them. If you have a coin that's only bullish 1 day out of the year, that means 364 days out of the year, there's better buying opportunities elsewhere. So what are you doing? How do you find your coin? So yeah, let's show you. So here's Deck Screener. You click into the new pairs tab. It's like this leafy thing on the left side, and then at the top you click Solana, because that's probably where we're going to be trading most. Then in age, the age category, you set it to less than 1 hour, so coins that have come out within the past hour, so really new coins. So this is a high risk strategy, but you asked how to see coins early, and this is how. So you go less than 1 hour. Then under liquidity, you got to increase that to greater than 10K. If it has less than 10K liquidity, it is not worth trading at all. Now, volume, same thing, greater than 10K. That shows that there is at least a fraction of interest in the coin. So with all of these things together, less than 1 hour, 10K greater than liquidity, 10K greater than volume, we now see a list of around 30, exactly 30 coins here. Now 30 is a lot of coins, but this is within the past hour, right? And so within the past hour, these 30 coins have come out. That means you can spend 2 minutes dedicated to every coin to give it a deep dive and an assessment and try to figure out whether or not it's worth investing in. So what do you do in those 2 minutes? BeatJ says, how can you tell if there's bots? Well, pretend you just started here. I would click the age category and sort by reverse. So we're looking at the newest stuff at the top and the oldest stuff at the bottom. Now old is still relatively new because it's less than an hour. So I'm looking here and I'm like, okay. I'm trying to look in the volume category and I'm trying to look in the makers category, because that's like how many people are interacting with this coin. If there's a lot of volume and there's a lot of makers, that's a pretty good sign typically, or at least it could be. You know, any of these factors on their own aren't necessarily bullish, but combined they paint a picture of a bullish coin. So let's jump in on these coins are all trash. Let's jump in on I guess Jake, for lack of a better coin. So we jump in here on Jake, and it's actually doing fantastic. This is Jake the dog from Adventure Time. So we've got 2 minutes to assess this coin, right? We picked it out because we saw it had a lot of volume. We look at the dex banner. We look at the narrative. This is Jake from Adventure Time. I recognize this character. A lot of people recognize this character. One thing you could do to try to see if it's safe is look to see if there's other Jake coins in the market. In this case, sorry, there definitely will be. So look here. Yeah, bunch of Jake coins. In fact, even a Jake coin with the exact same profile picture that was launched last week that was rug pulled. So that is not a good sign, but not necessarily the end of the coin, right? So looking back at the coin, we see the chart here. We'll switch to the 1 minute candle because it's super new. This thing goes straight up. It's actually really weird. I think this is a rug pull. I think this is a rug pull that has a fake pump fund contract. How can we see? Well, we're looking at the chart. It's all green candles. That is highly unusual because all green candles is impossible in crypto. You gotta have a red candle somewhere. Let's open here and click rug checker. Rug check XYZ, a nice and nifty utility for Solana where you just copy and paste the token address from DEX Screener and you click check. Well, here they say that it's good, but do we trust them? I don't know. Let's go and check another utility, Bubble Maps. This will tell you who's holding what in the project, and whether or not. Let's see. But you know what? It's not showing up here. Oh, because I'm on ETH. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that also didn't work. Well, maybe you gotta use some other shit. But anyways, use some kind of bubble map thing. Honestly, Pump Fund has integrated bubble maps. So if this thing did really come from Pump Fund, you can go to Pump Fund and look at the bubble map for it. I'm not gonna go to Pump Fund here, but you can do that. So maybe this is real. Maybe this is legit. I don't know. I don't really care. But those are a couple of things that you can do to kind of assess it. The thing that you would do to really know for certain is to see what the communication is like from the team and from the community. So you're on here, you see there's only one social media link, it's a Twitter. Okay, let's check out the Twitter. Launch that. Well, it doesn't let me do it because I'm not logged in. But you would look at the Twitter and see if it looks legit pretty much. Usually there would be other social medias like Telegram, maybe even a Discord, website. So check all of those things. But yeah, that's the name of the game. XD says look at rope. Let's look at rope. We just looked at rope. It doesn't look good, bro. Doesn't look good. Super low market cap, super low volume. So nobody likes it, nobody wants it. Find a better project. Ultra Degen says, I think you shadow banned. I think so too. It happens on stream every once in a while. I think I'm gonna end live and then restart in a little bit. That usually fixes it. So I'll be back shortly. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Alright. We will restart the stream.